Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to this particular video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the Metamask airdrop. So I've already made a bunch of video concerning this particular program where Metamask is going to be rewarding their users with linear token. All right, so on this particular video we are going to be talking about the latest updates and of course what you need to know right now as regards the Metamask airdrop. So right now you can see on January 16, that is about 4 days now, they actually made this post saying that we should keep stacking those reward, and from the picture they posted right here they say that there's only 1 week left. Now opening up the tweet right here, you can see a lot of things follows up, and over here right now by the time of making this video we only have 3 days and a couple of hours left before the invest program ends. So right now if you haven't started with this particular airdrop, Metamask airdrop, you still have a chance to get in right now and get a lot of points within these 3 days. I'm going to be telling you the condition you need to meet to be able to achieve that. So right now, to continue right here, they said less than a week till Metamask reward season 1 comes to a close, and over here they are just warning us that we have a little time left, and if we have anything that we need to do that will position us to gather as much points as possible, we should do it because we are already running out of time. So like I already said, Metamask is about to distribute linear token to people who are actually participating on the Metamask reward program, which I posted about last year, and a lot of people took advantage of the update, and right now we are actually coming to a conclusive end. So right now guys, let me take you to my Metamask and show you some couple of stuff that you need to be aware of as we come to conclusion on this particular Metamask airdrop reward. So if you got my updates some a couple of months ago, because the program actually ran for 90 days, I guess that is around 3 months, and right now we only have less than a week before the program ends. So if you saw the first video that I made, I believe by now you must accumulated as much points as possible. I told you guys we only have less than 3 days, about 3 days, and can stack many points. Now how do you actually stack many points before the program ends? All right, now I'm going to be showing you right now, though it's going to be requiring some funds to be able to get that done. All right, so over here on my Metamask account you can see right here, this is all the options. I'm going to be coming over here that we have rewards. Okay, so coming over here that we have reward, you can see these are the points right here. You can see over here I've got 1,562 points on this account. Of course this is not my main account, and over here guys I need to reach the next level when I get up to 23,000 more points. And over here guys you can see there are a couple of ways to actually earn more points on this particular program in order for you to be qualified to receive a tangible airdrop reward. For example, right now if you want to be stacking as many points as possible, you can see right here for every $10 swaps that you make, you actually earn 8 points. And now when you swap $100, you should be earning about 80 points for that. Okay, so if you have up to $1,000 you make a swap, that is going to be earning you up to 800 points on every single swap. That's why I told you guys you can earn as many points as possible only if you have enough fun for that. Now over here right now you can see that we also earn 10 points for every $100 order that we make right there on the perpetual trade. We also have the prediction market, which gives us 20 points for every $10 prediction. And over here we have the referral. Over here on referral you actually refer people to actually earn points. So for example right now I only earn about 1,000 points from referral people, and I have about 39 referrals right here on this particular account. Now let me take you to my main account. Let's see what we have right there. Okay, so over here on my main airdrop account, let me show you something real quick. Okay, so over here this is my main airdrop account. So when I come over here to the reward section, you can see that over here I have a larger amount of points right here. I have about 11,000 points right here, and when you come over here to my referral, you can see I have little to no referral right here at all. Now you may be wondering, how did I actually arrive at 11,000 points on this particular account? Now to be able to do that, this is only going to be possible when you have a lot of swaps done in the previous days, that is in the previous previously on your Metamask reward. So I actually got this $11,000 right here on this actual account. Sorry, I mean 11,000 points right here on this particular account, and this should be enough to actually earn me a reasonable amount of reward, though it is still small compared to what a lot of other people out there has. Okay, so if you want to be getting started right now, you should be getting started with a large number of funds, so that when the airdrop distribution takes place, which I'm expecting within a week, then you should be earning something very reasonable. So if you want to be getting started, the link to get started is going to be right there on the video description box. So check out the link right there to get started today and start accumulating as many points as possible. All right, so this is the latest update right now regarding the Metamask linear token airdrop, and right now it is now left for you to actually take action, make swaps, gather points, and wait until the actual distribution starts taking place. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. When the distribution starts, I'm going to be letting you guys know, so they're going to be claiming these funds and we are going to be, you know, making money. That's the main reason why we are here, right? So thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to be talking to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon.